Okay, so let's get started here on Bitcoin. By the way, I'll be live on Saturday at 12 p.m. Central Time, a little bit earlier than normal. So let's kind of see what's going on Bitcoin, give you guys an update, and then I'll give you guys a deeper update on the live stream. So a quick update, daily time frame is topped out. That's not fantastic. The 12-hour time frame for Bitcoin is overbought. You are trying to break out of this falling wedge here on Bitcoin on all time frames, really, but 8-hour time frame got to move up. Now you're going sideways. And the question is, at this point, can we make a bull flag? Like, I see the bull flag on the 8-hour. I see the bull flag on the 6-hour. The problem with the 8-hour, though, is you're still coming down on the hour side. So I don't think the 8-hour is ready to break out yet. I don't even think the 6-hour is ready to break out yet because you never got completely oversold. Now, if we hop down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that you got oversold. You're trying to get that bounce. You broke out this falling wedge down here, but you're trying to get this bounce up here. And at this point, you kind of are breaking out, but it is a weekend. It's very low volume. In fact, in the summertime, it's extremely low volume. And I was looking at the 1-minute chart, and that's probably the lowest liquidity I've ever seen on the 1-minute chart for Bitcoin. And I've been in crypto for 4 years. Maybe I don't look at the charts every day in the summertime when it's really slow on the weekends, but I mean, I've never seen the chart. I'll show you the 1-minute chart in a moment. But let's look right now on the 4-hour time frame. Nonetheless, even though the volume is really bad, I still see a possible breakout to a new all-time high of approximately $116,000, $117,000 here on Bitcoin in the next week or two on the 4-hour time frame. So that's a good sign. RSI oversold, but you can see it's struggling to continue the bounce up, which is that's also tells you there's not a lot of volume in the market, or there's not a lot of buyers at least in the market. Maybe there's a lot of sellers, but if there was a lot of sellers, we'd be dumping. So I would just say there's not much liquidity at all. Then you jump down to the 1-hour. That's pretty lackluster. You look at the 15-minute time frame, and even the 15-minute time frame kind of just struggling as well. So now if I jump down to the 1-minute, like, this is awful. I've never seen such low volume on the 1-minute time frame. Whenever you go sideways like that with no price action, that means there's no volume. Whenever you have these crazy wicks, I mean, that could happen sometimes when there's volume, but then you just go sideways. There's no orders here. What? I mean, this is not a small exchange. This is on Bybit. I mean, that's a pretty big exchange, and there's just no liquidity. So right now is not the best time to be trading Bitcoin. We'll see what happens, but for me right now, I'm got to say, I think the 4-hour time frame is awesome. I think that's awesome, but I think the 6-hour, the 8-hour time frame need more time to consolidate. So overall, this weekend, I would expect sideways action overall, and then sometime probably Tuesday of next week is when we could possibly see a breakout if we do get the pump to new all-time highs. We'll see what happens. I'm not predicting all-time high next week. But I think sometime in July, we definitely see 115 to 120K minimum. That's my target. So macro long term, I'm bullish. Short term, sideways action. Medium term into mid next week, late next week, I'm bullish as well. So we'll see what happens. That's my time frame, short, mid, and long term. Again, sideways price action probably at least until the Monday night live stream. We'll see what happens. That's my update. See you guys in the live stream at 12 p.m. Central Time. Appreciate you guys. Hit the likes and subscribe. It does help support the channel. The trend's your friend until the end. So go with the trend. I'll see you guys in the next one.